A mother and daughter injured in the mass shooting outside the Jefferson County Courthouse testified in the trial of the accused gunman. This was day 3 of testimony in the capital murder case of Bartholomew Granger. Investigators say the 42-year-old defendant shot several people at the Jefferson County Courthouse March 14th of last year. He's accused of shooting the mother of his children and his daughter. Both women testified against Granger in an aggravated sexual assault case that was underway at the time of the shootings. Prosecutors say Granger killed 79-year-old Minnie Ray Sebolt in the flurry of bullets intended for his family members. Sebolt died in front of the courthouse. Sebolt was there to help a friend with veterans benefits. Judge Bob Wortham is presiding over the trial. He moved it to Galveston. Kfdm reporter Megan Dillard is covering the trial. She joins us now with more. Megan?
Well, prosecutors called 2 witnesses the state feels are critical to the case against Granger, the suspect's daughter and her mother. Both women were shot that day at the courthouse. Granger remained quiet during the day 3 of testimony. From time to time, he rested his chin in his hand or leaned over to ask his attorneys questions. This morning, the jury heard from members of Granger's family, 2 women prosecutors say Granger planned to kill that day last March. The mother of Granger's children took the stand shortly before lunch. She described walking on the sidewalk with her daughter and Granger's wife when she heard her daughter yelling, "No, no, no." She saw Bartholomew Granger and started running. The witness said she saw a gun. She felt a shot to the lower part of her body, panicked, and got back up. She ran into the courthouse. Granger's daughter then took the stand. The prosecutor asked her to look at him and keep her focus on the attorney during the testimony, except to identify Granger in the courtroom. She kept her composure through most of her testimony. She told jurors she saw her father running toward her holding a long black gun. The daughter started to cry when she explained, "He fired at my mom. I told him no." She felt a bullet hit her leg. She testified, "I froze and fell. My leg was too weak. I couldn't get up." She then said, "I was looking up at the sky and I felt another shot." The daughter testified she was in the hospital for nearly 4 months. Her mother said the girl was in a coma for more than half that time. Jurors also listened to testimony from several law enforcement officers from Beaumont, as well as employees of RCI, a construction company where officers arrested Granger a few blocks from the courthouse. 14 witnesses testified today. The prosecution hopes to wrap their case up tomorrow. Then the defense can start calling their witnesses. Attorneys read a list of comments that Granger made in the hospital in front of investigators. For a list of those comments, you can read them. Check out our website, Kfdm.com. We'll have more for you tonight at 10. Reporting live in Galveston, Megan Dillard, Kfdm 6 News.